This 2021 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 8265 RLS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. This used Jayco is 31 feet 1 inch in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 6, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, water heater, stove-top burner, leveling jacks, awning, refrigerator, slide-out, external shower, DVD player, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 8265 RLS is 6,110 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc., visit RVUSA.com.